Welcome back to Veracitiz Tips and Tricks. As we are aware of, IBM Planning Analytics is used to implement collaborative planning, budgeting and forecasting solution for analytics and reporting applications. Today we are going to see its accounting application, showcasing AS 116 or IFRS 16. It is a contract or part of the contract, which gives lessee a right to use the leased asset and represents its obligation to make lease payments. First, let us upload the lease information into the system. Before uploading, kindly check the Excel is in the given format. Drag and drop the file and run the process. In lease details, you can see lease-related all information such as newly added lease, lease period, discount rate and rent has been uploaded successfully for different leases. The master of exchange rate and discounting factor can be maintained. This maintains an exchange rate of all foreign currency for local currency. This stores the discount rates by months. Lease calculation is complete on-the-fly calculation to derive cash flow, present value, ROU, and liabilities. It becomes difficult to calculate the lease and keep a track of it when lessor changes the rent or when the discount rates get changed. Let's look at a scenario 1 where lessor decides to increase rent by 10% from July 2020. As you can see here, from July rent has been increased from $4,545 to $5,000 per month. Let's look at a scenario 2 where lessor decides to increase discount rate to 5.8 from July 2020. As you can see here, from July present value has been changed. Let's understand the impact of lease on financial statements as per accounting standard Ind As 116 or IFRS 16. Click on Refresh P&L. Here you could see the impact of depreciation and interest on operating profits of the company, and will reduce the net profit during initial years of the lease. In balance sheet, refresh the balance sheet. Here lessees have to recognize a right of use asset with no more classification of operating and finance lease. In the assets, before AS 116 you have to independently subtract accumulated depreciation from property and equipment net. Here you just have to pass right of use asset respectively. Also, lessees have to recognize a lease liability reflecting future lease payments for all lease contracts. And so closing balance gets directly considered into long-term liabilities. Using planning analytics, it is easy to keep track on lease calculations even when the rates gets changed. The impact can be easily reflected on a single click in financial statements. This ready-to-deploy model facilitates predefined end-to-end process, on-demand integration of database, user-friendly transformation of data entry, pre-structured financial statement. Thank you for watching. For business demo, contact us on www.veracitiz.com.